it's preferable to have your engines upright, never on their side, so this works out perfect. Hi, it's Dave from Hearns. Today we're going to talk about a product from DCCconcepts. It's called the MPD, so Motive Power Depot. And you're thinking, yeah, what is it? Okay, essentially what it is, it's a aluminium cradle, okay, and it will take any HO or OO locomotive that'll fit within the parameters of each side. Okay, so nice insulated plastic handles at both sides, and what you do with it, we lay it on the track like this, and it provides a roll-on, roll-off cradle. So the beauty for this is, if you have got a nicely detailed, say for example, like this Phoenix D3, Victorian Railways D3, with fine pins that will connect to the tender, if you're a sound lover or a DCC owner, this will become brilliant for you. It allows you to drive the engine straight on, straight off, without touching it. So all your precious detail, your weathering doesn't get touched. So it's just straight on, straight off. And the other beauty of it, which I'll demonstrate later, is the fact that you can pack it up, take it home, take it to your club layout, pop it under the bed, put it in your wardrobe, and your engine will be safe. Traditionally in the past, you might have stored your locos in the packaging that it comes with, which this is now quite common, the locked plastic type containers. And these can be a bit of a wrestle. And one thing we do see, especially I see with engines coming in for repairs, is a lot of the beautiful detail, such as ladders, bells, handrails, over time get knocked off, which is, and if you are paying high end for a premium model, you don't want to have that happen to you. These packages are great for initially buying a model, but I wouldn't suggest long-term storing them. And even now I'm sort of like having issues trying to get my engine back. So we'll put that aside. Okay, we'll put that away for the moment. To give you a demonstration of how it all works, we've got the Southern N15, and we'll just power it up. Bit fast there. Okay. And we might just adjust that. But if you can just see that, it's as easy as that. And like I said before, this is compatible with DC or DCC. So it doesn't really matter because both sides of the cradle are isolated. So yeah. Okay, once you get your engine on there, there's really no need to touch it. You get this fantastic, nice firm foam block. Ta-da! And another benefit with this is that you can actually use this as a servicing cradle. So if you are away at a club meet or an exhibition or at a friend's house or even just in the back shed playing with your locos, you can use that as a servicing cradle as well. Which we'll just loosely demonstrate. So it can be used in that application. Anyway, back to the cradle, the MPD. Okay, so, and this, by the way, it will take ON3 models, yeah, narrow gauge locos that will run on HO 16.5mm track. Okay, 2 foam blocks. Okay, so that's pretty firm and locked away, and it's in the locomotive is stored upright. We never suggest storing locos on their side long term. Okay, and you get this rather nice sturdy cardboard box, and they also throw in a label, so you can label it. If you have multiple locos, and I'm sure most of you out there would, you can at a glance work out what's what. And like most things from DCCconcepts, if you can see that, it's well thought out and rather innovative. So straight into the box. It's got 2 little foam spacers in there. Lid on top. Packed away. Anyway, Well, that's it for today. We hope to bring you some more DCC Concepts products in the following videos. So they've got some rather innovative products and clever products like I mentioned before. And until then, happy modelling. See you next time.